Hey, welcome back to another video, my friends. My name is Mikołaj Maria Davidowski, and today we'll be having a video about how to deal with stressful situations. Let's get into it, shall we? So, stressful situations arise within our lives all the time. We're busy with work, we're busy with this, you have to do this and that, and things start to pile up, and we start being in a hurry, or we get a message that shakes our world, and we get emotional. It is very easy in this whole speed-driven, efficiency and effectiveness-driven world to get lost within the idea of acting all the time. And as you act more and more, you have more and more things to do, and there's always something going on, and you have always something to do. And so it is very, very easy to fall into many different traps of stressful situations from many different aspects of life. And so when a stressful situation arises and you recognize becoming stressful, becoming strongly emotional, you don't want the emotion to overcome you. You don't want the emotion to overtake you. You wish to experience the emotion in a harmonious way. You wish to deal with stressful situation in a harmonious way. So I'm going to separate the emotional state plus the stressful situation as two separate ones. And the way you deal with the emotional one, the basics are the same for both. So I'm gonna go a little bit more in detail in the stressful one, and we'll come back to it after I cover the emotional one. And you can follow the same principles in the beginning as with the emotional. So as you get more and more emotional and you recognize that you're emotional, you have to first acknowledge that. You have to acknowledge which emotion came to you and what you are feeling in the present moment. It could be just a mental note, but you could also say it out loud. Not necessarily to somebody. You're just saying it out loud as a form of statement that this state of being exists within you at the present moment. And what that will do, it will stop the emotion from overcoming you completely. You may still feel it strongly, but the sheer fact of acknowledgement the emotion gives the body a little bit calmer sense of that emotion. It doesn't pile up as much anymore. Let me just close the window. There's some work going on there. Right. And so just acknowledging the fact that the emotion exists allows you to mitigate the intensity of it. Another thing is as soon as you realize it, and as soon as you say that it exists, the same goes for the stressful situation. You stop. You just stop. Whatever is happening, I'm sure there could be plenty of things happening, very important phone calls, and kids are screaming and whatever. Maybe you spilled the milk, and the milk is slowly going everywhere. Just stop. The world is not going to collapse just because you stop for a minute. You stop in place. You freeze. You acknowledge this emotion, and you take a slow, deep breath. Just like that. And if you need, you take another one. And that alone will calm the emotions most of the time, almost completely. And with practice, it will erase the emotions completely. Useful practice. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth slowly. 5-minute meditation. 5 minutes a day. After half a year, I can promise you, no matter what emotion you experience, you take one deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and you're not gonna experience the emotion anymore. You're gonna be back to your inner peace and tranquility. Seems good? Useful, practical tools. How to deal with stressful situations. Blessings, I bless you, my friend, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day. Consider commenting, let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe. There are lots of videos coming your way, and I really am enjoying making these videos. I'm a little bit sleepy still, but I'm really having fun here. Until next time, bye bye.